welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huxwar, and today we got another freebie for you all to check out. Keep your money in your pocket and reap the rewards of the support that you have given the developers. This watch face is definitely off the charts. Now the name of it is called Zealot 12 Hours. I'm telling you, the developer got super creative with this watch face and the design. I'm giving them 4 thumbs up in the door for this design of this watch face. Now in the always on mode for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, they're gonna pretty much look the same but slightly different, but it's gonna look awesome in that mode. Now, once the watch face is on, here's where a casual watch face starts to really looks good. All right, so what I like about the watch face, first of all, is the design of the background. Really makes the watch face stands out with the design of the thing that's on top of it. A nice blend and combination of design. Now, around the bezel of the watch, you're gonna get cities like Chicago, Denver, New York, Alaska, Georgia, which is a nice look. And I like the layout and the design of the watch face as far as how the info is placed. You get miles walked around on this side, the day of the week. You're gonna get your step status info, your steps, and also you're gonna get your battery info on this side, your month and your day, and also what's important is your heart rate information. Now down at the bottom, you will get a digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. Now I do like the look of the hands, very stylish, very unique. I like a smooth second hand, you guys know that. Makes the watch face look really good, and you get your animated seconds down at the bottom. Now you can customize the color theme of this to a few colors. Single tap, you got blue. Single tap, you got yellow down at the bottom, looks really good, purple, and back to red, people. I thought the developer got down, but again, I would like to know your thoughts on this and how many thumbs up will you give this watch face. All right, you all, continue to enjoy your day and or night, and I'm gonna see you all at the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.